So I don't know how interesting this is going to be, but let's go take a lap of cat and mouse. So I got a Thunderstruck 2023. So women's freeride event. They're sessioning Fort Hill. Pretty cool. It's just fun. Oh. This thing is like a mini Sideshow Bob, and if I'm honest, a little more involved. Sideshow Bob, of course, is the same kind of idea. Trail, machine built, sort of flow trail, all berms and whoops and pumps at Killington Bike Park off of the Ram's Head lift. This is its little brother, but its little brother is not so little. I just passed the point right there where if you ride enough of Fort Hill, you end up picking up right there instead of pushing back up the hill. Now, last time I rode this, a couple guys pointed out some doubles. Those were the doubles, I mean the bridges. You're basically saying you can jump the bridges. I didn't clear them. Of course, we're doing this on the Chromag Dr. Hawk hardtail, which is kind of perfect for this kind of terrain. This Dr. Hawk's got a 62-degree head angle thanks to the 190 RockShox Zeb Ultimate 29. I know it doesn't look like much, but I'm working. When you don't hear the Ion Hydra free hub going, it's because I'm pedaling. I'm not pedaling all the time, but I am pedaling in places where I think it can take my speed away. This is a very tricky berm.